What's good, family? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. A lot of people always ask, does trading Forex actually work? Can you actually make money trading Forex? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make money trading Forex, so stay tuned. Alright family, so like I said, a lot of people are always asking, does trading actually make you money? Can you make money, real physical cash, trading Forex? I brought out the phone today, man. As you guys know, I like to show you guys what's really popping through the phone, through the actual trading, okay? So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and record my screen so I can show you guys exactly what to do and how to make money trading Forex. This ain't no gimmick, this ain't no fluke or something. I'm gonna show you the real things, yeah? As y'all can see, this is my phone right now. This is one of the accounts I've opened up to really help you guys learn how to trade Forex, okay? So as you can see, it does say real in the top right hand corner right there. So this is what I'm trading right now. Currently I'm up 84 or 83 pounds in profit. As you guys can see, I've got about 89 pounds in the account. So what I did for these is, if I just go to one of the charts now, you can see that when price was down here, when price was all the way down here, I placed a buy for that, for Euro USD, because I saw it was going to go up. And when price pulled back to roughly about here, I placed another buy. And then I said to myself, I'm going to stop adding any more positions. I'm just going to let these two ride and just see how they go. As you can see, I'm about how many pips in profit right now? So Euro USD from 1021 to 1048, that's just roughly about 27 pips in profit in the first one. And then the second one, I'm roughly about 23 pips in profit in that one too. And I'm also in profit in oil, and I'm currently losing on gold right now. So this is Forex. You can see that I place 3 buys and I place 1 sell. To place a trade, all you have to do is this. You go to chart, trade. You can place your trade right here. You can put what your risk is going to be, your stop loss. You can also put your profit target down here as well, right down here, okay? You can change your lot size. So for example, 0.01 would be roughly about £1 a pip. You understand? Just depending on what currency pair you're trading, right? So once you hit sell or buy, you're automatically into the market like this. So now, when it comes to closing a trade, and I'm going to close a trade live for you right now. It's a real account. I don't have to close it, but I'm going to close it just for you guys, okay? All you have to do to close it is this. Just hold on it like that, hit close and hit close again, and then that £33 turns into profit right there. What I'm going to do right now actually is I'm actually going to go ahead and close this position. So let's look, close with profits of £33, 84p, close. Boom. So now I've closed off the profit. In total right now, I'm roughly about £98 in profit closed, and I've still got about £58 in profit to close, all right? So, like I said, this video is going to be literally how to show you guys how to make money in the foreign exchange market, okay? So now, family, I'm going to go ahead to my broker account, and then I'm going to withdraw out the £33, and then it's going to hit my bank account within maybe a few days. It is Friday, so it could be probably Monday or even Tuesday it hits the bank account. So guys, I'll let you guys know and keep you guys updated. But you guys are seeing this right now. So yeah, for all the people that say, oh, trading is risky, once you educate yourself, you know exactly what you're doing. Do you understand? And you're constantly learning every single day anyway. Hey family, so it's been about an hour since I posted the last update when I closed off that Euro USD trade. So now I'm going to go ahead and record my screen and show you what I'm on right now. So you can see now that oil's actually started moving a bit more now. So I'm roughly about £36 up in oil. That's not near TP yet. I'm still in Euro USD, and I'm finally in profit in gold as well. Another £83, family. As you can see, this account was at like 80 something pounds, and you can see now if I close off all of this now, it would go to £200. Euro USD is near my TP. My TP for that is just about 12 pips away. Oil right now is roughly at these lows, so I want it to kind of get to like 51, maybe 50. Yeah, 51 or 50 for oil. There's the oil. 50 is roughly about here. It can do it, I know it can. Okay, cool. So I might not close oil yet. So yes, you can make money from your phone, and this is why I'm recording this video for you guys today, to show you that yes, trading Forex is real. You can actually make money trading Forex. And people talk about risk. As you can see, we're good. We're Gucci. And guys, no, just to quickly interrupt the whole video, I'm going to tell you guys why I'm in oil. So here's an image of why your boy's in oil right now. So literally, I saw that price was going down. It had pulled back to a premium price, like I always explained to you guys. I've explained to you guys about the strategy that I use, and how when it pulls back to a premium price, then just get ready to sell that thing again. Sold it from the very highs, and now it has just plummeted all the way down, man, and your boy is enjoying those profits, man. Trading does not have to be difficult. It doesn't need to be all stressful. Just keep it nice and clean, and once you see your entry, you jump in, enjoy yourself. It's all good. Alright family, so last update before I make the withdrawals, yeah? So I'm gonna bring up my phone again, got my screen recorded now. Euro USD hit take profit, family. Euro USD hit take profit, so that's why you see the little green little line beside Euro USD. It hit take profit of about £60, so that was beautiful. You can see that so far I'm currently up £157 in profit. When I go into the trade section, you can see I'm roughly about £50 up in that too. Gold still has a little bit of a way to go, so I'm not gonna close that one yet. And the oil still has a long way to go as well, so I'm not closing that yet. I'm gonna go ahead to the laptop now and withdraw some of those profits from Euro USD. Alright family, so just to give you my last update, I know I keep saying that's the last update, but I'm gonna go ahead and record my screen again so you can see right now that gold has gone ballistic, finally moved into some sweet profits, and oil was still making moves, and I'm gonna hold on to oil until it hits my target. Well, I'm gonna try to hold on to oil until it hits my target because it is at a low right now. Gold is going nuts, okay? Gold just went ballistic, as you can see, boom. It's so sweet, man, and look, it's just doing its thing, running out these highs, you know, as you guys can see right here. So gold has been moving correct, and oil's been moving correct, and we're still on the real account as well. And so, you know what, I might even go ahead and close gold now. But for now, guys, we're gonna go straight to the laptop to withdraw the piece. Let's go. You guys can see right now that your boy is right here on the home page, okay? So I'm gonna literally go down to here. I've chosen PayPal because with PayPal, it normally comes within a day. I'm gonna go in now and just go ahead and withdraw 30 quid. Okay, 30 quid. Boom, and I'm gonna go to submit, and that's it. Are you sure you would like to proceed with your withdrawal request? Yes, I am. Boom, and that's it. Simple as that, guys. Now we get the confirmation screen. Thank you for your withdrawal has been submitted. We will endeavor to process it as soon as possible. Now I'm going to wait for the money to come in, then I'm going to show you guys that, and boom, you're going to see that yes, it's as simple and easy to make money trading Forex, and it is real, and you can actually place trades, make profits, and then withdraw the P's into your account. You're Gucci. So that might take a day, might take even 2 days, but guys, we're going to come back straight to it once it's in. Good morning, family. It's Monday right now, the 3rd of February. I believe it's the 3rd. Okay, I think it's the 3rd. You guys saw that on Friday I withdrew out £30. So I made about whatever I made. I can't remember what I made, but I withdrew out £30. And even just to give you an update, actually, let me give you an update. Let me record my phone real quick as well. You guys saw Euro USD. So Euro USD was a TP hit. Okay, right there, £60, which is beautiful. I also closed off one oil trade at roughly about £60 as well. So I was telling you guys I was gonna hold on because oil was gonna drop. And if I keep scrolling down now, took another gold trade late on Friday, took home 27 from that, and then I closed off another oil trade because oil pulled back up, and then I added another position, then it continued to drop, yeah. Then I closed off £42 in that, so that was good. And I closed off another oil trade at £14, and then you can see the PayPal where it says balance right at the bottom, where it says balance, that's when I withdrew the £30. So the £30 actually came out from the account. It wasn't 300 and something, so now it's gone down to 279. Now I'm going to show you my PayPal account, right? So I'm going to show you the actual money hitting my PayPal account because I withdrew it into my PayPal account, and with PayPal it normally hits your account the next day. When I go to withdraw it from PayPal, it hits it on the same day as well. So I'm going to go ahead into PayPal now. So this is the PayPal account. You can see right now it's got a £30 balance. So right now the money's in my PayPal account. Now your boy's gonna go ahead and transfer that 30 quid into my actual bank account, right? So I'm gonna go click on this right now, go to withdraw money, and it says how much I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw £30. Okay, boom. Next, it's gonna tell me what bank account I want to withdraw it to. Withdraw the £30 right now. Boom! You've withdrawn your 30 quid. Done deals, family. So now I have nothing in my PayPal account. I'm gonna go ahead to the cash machine now and withdraw out the 30 quid. Alright family, so yeah, just put up to Sainsbury's to the cash machine, and it's gonna look hella dodge me bringing this camera to withdraw the money. So I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna probably take off the long stand to make it look a lot less awkward, but it's gonna look hella dodge. But yeah, your boy's gonna do it now. Also guys, the money for the PayPal account literally just came in right now. So I'm recording my screen right now. You can see that the money has come in for the PayPal, and it's the 3rd of February, the money has come in, and that's it right there. You guys can see it right there. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and withdraw the money from the cash machine. Alright boys, you guys at the cash machine. I'm about to go ahead and withdraw it. Look, 30 quid, boom, right there. You guys saw it, yeah? Alright, yeah, hella dodge. Look, cards out. That's the 30 quid, baby. Boom. Alright family, so your boy's back in the car now. Now I'm just gonna quickly show you guys that the money actually came out from that same account. Boom, I'm gonna enter the account, my transactions. You can see right now that 30 quid has come out, and it's on the 3rd of February, so it's on the exact same day. So the money came in literally as I just literally hit withdraw, and I literally just withdrew the money from the actual cash machine right now. So guys, there you have it. Here is the cash. I withdrew 30 quid, and here's the 30 quid right here. You can see that's 10 tens and 10s, right? That is how you make money trading Forex. Yes, it is real, and the beauty of all of this is that I did it from my smartphone. So literally making money from your phone from start to finish. So there you have it, guys. That's the video done. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Let me know if you like the video. Drop a comment down below. Also, remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep.